I'm out here in the woods taking a walk, and I wanted to show you these wild blueberries I found. It's pretty cool. Let me turn this thing around. I know where I'm going to be coming in another month or so. This thing's pretty tall too. It's about 6 feet tall. And here's another one. This one's just coming off of flowering. And I'm up here by Fleming Island, Florida, which is just south of Jacksonville. Probably, I don't know, 20 miles or so. This is what the wild blueberries look like up here. There's quite a few of them. If you stop and look, if you're in the woods, pretty